Hey everyone, so recently we have changed the UI and UX of our payments module. So let me quickly guide you that exactly what new UI UX is and how you can utilize this. So first of all, we will go to all modules, then we will go to payments module. Now once we will come on the payments module, please check. This is how it look like now. So we have just defined, we have just made the changes in the look. Other options are there. No option have been removed from here. So on right hand side very top you can see opening balance. If you are already subscribed to our Transact wallet, you will see payment control here. Now total payable, total receivable, overdue payable, overdue receivable cards are same like it was earlier. Just the drop down we have removed of document, company ledger and payment receipt. We have just made it separate so that you can easily go ahead and access all the details. So in company ledger, you can simply just go ahead and select any company, and then after you can see the ledger and can download it. Similarly, coming back now, how you can go ahead and log the payment. So from here you can select the payable, receivable as per your requirement. Then after you can simply just click on this checkbox, and here is the log payment. From here you can split the TDS, and from here you can revert the split. To clear the selection you can use the clear all. Now on right hand side for single invoice action we have provided log payment, split, TDS and revert split option as well. So with this you can go ahead and use the functionality of our new payments module. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.